Hey kids, today we're going to be looking at Hayden's big collection of cars. All the way from the really tiny, small little cars, all the way to the really big trucks and dump trucks. We'll start at the really small ones and work our way up from there. We got little tiny cars. We got little wind-up cars. All different colors. Look at this tiny little car. That's silly. Oh, we got a little tractor in there. Oh, look at this race car. That's Chick Hicks. He's cool. Lightning McQueen. Spider-Man car. Oh, we got Tow Mater. Got a really big muddy truck and a monster truck. That's cool. Oh, got some drag racing cars that are really fast. Got a big fire truck. He's cool. And we got Gecko. Lightning McQueen. Look at this big truck right here. He has two race cars in the back. They look like drag racers. And this big green monster truck, that's cool. Let's see what's on the other side here. A little golf cart car. Whoa, rawr, big dinosaur car. Oh, look at this big dump truck. He's cool. Oh, and this guy here. Oh, look at this really big dump truck. He's got a big load in the back there. He's cool. And then this one, that looks like a trailer. Okay, it looks like that's most of them. We'll see you next time.